Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make repost public on TikTok. Open up the TikTok application. So now if I want to repost this as public, I will click on this share and here you will get this option to repost. Click on that and here you can see our video is reposted. You can see this one here, you reposted. Now to make it public, click on your profile icon and tap on these three bars in the top right corner and go for this settings and privacy. In settings and privacy, tap on the second option, privacy. Scroll down. So here you have to tap on this like videos and just simply go for this everyone. But if it's not showing repost options, to make it everyone like me, you can simply go back and here you have to scroll down and simply tap on this report a problem. So you have to scroll down and tap on this report again and now you will see this option here, report sound challenge or report a video. Just simply select any of them and after loading you have to tap on this no and tap on this need more help. Now here we can report a problem. You have to write like I don't have option to make repost public or only me. Help me out to fix it and click on submit and you will get response email from TikTok. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.